Guys, in this 2025 Reddit review breakdown, we're diving into real user experiences of BisectHosting versus Apex Hosting. On Reddit, many users praise BisectHosting for stability and solid customer service. I use BisectHosting right now and haven't had any problems. And they're running a heavy mod pack noted. Latency delays quite often, paying $90 a month for 20 gig of RAM. So while performance is strong, cost and resource usage can be concerned at high RAM. For Apex Hosting, feedback is more mixed. One user wrote about a long outage. We've been down nearly 30 hours, no information besides NAND issues. Others say the support is more beginner-friendly and reliable, but serious server issues have some up. So from Reddit's perspective, Bisect Hosting gets love for support and reliability, but users pay more at scale. Apex is easier to use, but some long-term users worry about data loss or downtime. There you have it, real voices from the Minecraft community comparing Bisect Hosting versus Apex Hosting. If this helped you decide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more server hosting reviews.